So I already did 1, 2, and 3, but here's B4. The first things that I do, I usually clean these up, especially on more complex drawings, but this job has so few that sometimes I'll bring these in and, just clean it up and everything. Um, Another thing, what matters, obviously, is this shear plate that has a connecting side, which is this 3/16 mark. For simplicity's sake, I mean, I would usually just delete this, even though it's a 16th difference. It's just this 14 foot 9 1/4 is just talking about this stiffener. So if you just delete that, they're both 3/16. Obviously, it doesn't matter. I like to do, instead of this just being an 1.5 inch dimension, a lot of times if we had another stiffener 4 inches away, it would be 14.9 and 3/16, and then 15.1 and 3/16 or whatever. Or sorry, instead of that, it would say there would be a dimension that just says 4 inches. And so if I switch it to US absolute 1, um, it just oh, see, this one is a different you know set of dimensions. So I change that and I go up 2 on that, and that's just generally more consistent. I also delete the whole size markers when they're 13/16 for shear connections, because this entire job is 13/16. Another thing that's kind of important, these points on each end represent the reference line, which is not showing on this drawing for some reason. Oh no, it is. See that dot right there? Which it won't really show up like on this printed drawing. It'll be hard to make out. Um, but anyway, that's the reference lines. That's like center of column to center of column. This one is probably a 5 inch column plus a half, so 2.5 inches plus a half inch gap. Same over here, 6 inch column, 3 inches plus a half inch gap. Um, so normally I'll select the dimension, remove dimension points, and delete both of those. That way there's no confusion, because I left those on in the beginning, and one time one of the guys did math and like removed 3 inches, even though it clearly says, hey, 19.5 1/2, hey, 19.5 1/2. And he cut one that was like, 19 foot even, because it said -2.5 and -2 or something. Anyway, this all looks good. Realistically, I'll just delete one of these real quick while I'm here, because obviously it's just, regular welds. That's about it on that. This one I would, center obviously is like in theory what it should be. The reality is these beams are accurate enough. I would just go 2 inches off of that. No one's even going to check that anyway. Everyone in the shop is just going to throw this plate in there and start welding it, and just double check this 2 3/4 dimension, so it's not upside down. And then a lot of times in a perfect world, align horizontally. That way it's all on the same plane. It just looks better. And then I'll center it. But that's pretty much what I do when I go through